Here we are in Glenside. We got the other R2 coming in. We got the R2 to Willow Grove. Actually, and then it's headed to Warminster coming in. The gates just went down further down the line, past Glenside near Jenkintown. The R2 should be rounding the curve in about a few seconds, maybe less than 5.
Well, I was never enough. Okay, I was never enough. What I did.
4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Here he is. The R2 to Warminster is inbound on. Is outbound on its way to Glenside. A little late today. Running late. He's just showing up as he pulls in.
Back then, if you would have decided, even when you were
It is raining out here. Started in North Wales and has followed us all the way down here to Glenside. Let's hope it doesn't follow us to Willow Grove. I've got a 4-car train with rail cars 375. 374 and 2 others which we will get in